Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a Savage X Fenty haul. This is like back-to-back Fenty haul, but that other video was like from a long time ago. So I'm going to be unboxing. It's in a bag, so whatever. But I'm gonna be unboxing this Savage X Fenty haul that I just placed. So yeah, let's just jump into it. The first thing that I got was from the floral collection. Oh, by the way, if you're my friends or family that are not comfortable watching this, please click off this video right now. So yeah. If you don't want to see this, don't watch it, please. This is the first thing that I got from Savage X Fenty. This is so cute. This is from the like I said, like the floral collection, whatever. And I actually got the matching top to go with it as well. This is a balconette bra, and this is in the size 36C. This looks so cute. So this is what the bra looks like. So freaking cute. I can already see it on myself. So this one has floral like all on the front. In the middle there's like a crisscross. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's like a crisscross. Oh, you guys can see it there. It's like a crisscross and it has polka dots. This bra is meshed, and I like to see my knits, to be honest. And the bottom has crisscross as well. It has the floral detailing all on the top. This one is mesh as well, but it does have like the little area for you know the little cloth piece that all underwears have. And then it does have this little gold detailing right here with the X logo, which is really, really cute. These are like a matching set. And I'll post a picture of what one of the models looks like in it right here. That way you guys can see. Just because I'm lazy and I don't feel like trying it on. And the next thing that I got was a bralette. This bralette is so cute. So it's like a purple bralette, and it has like little glitters on it, and it matches the vibe of this room for sure. But I thought this was super cute, so I picked this one up. And I got this one, I think I got this one in a 36C, because that's what I've been getting lately. In the last video I got a 34C. And just the band size now, I've grown a lot since then, because that video was like from last year, I believe. Yeah, so I've grown a little bit, so the 34C is kind of fitting tighter, so I went up a size. This bralette does have like ruching all the way around it. It's sparkly. I think it's so cute, and it's mesh. This is super cute. So it has like these rainbow glitters all the way around, and it actually does have the little X logo right here, which I think is so cute. I'll post a picture of what one of the models looks like in it. The next thing that I got was this cute thing. So this is, I saw this one on Rihanna. I'll also be posting like pictures of what they look like on the model, just because I don't want to wear them. But I got this right here. This is so cute. It's like a little skirt, and I'll post a picture of what Rihanna looks like in it. This skirt I actually got to go with these, just because I feel like this would look so cute together. Like, hold up. The top, right, you get me? And then this on the bottom, with this underneath it. It's like floral. I don't know. I think it's really cute, so that's why I got that little skirt thing. And the next thing that I got from Fenty is another thing from the floral collection. and it looks like this right here. Holy shit, it's so cute. This is what it looks like. That is so cute. This one has a tie in the front, and then it has a like lace up in the back. And I love the color. It's like a mint green with flowers on there, and then this whole thing is mesh. It's like reminds me of like 70s vibes, and I liked it a lot, so I just picked it up. I don't really have anything like this. This is definitely out of my comfort zone because I do like 2 pieces. My torso is really tiny, so I don't know how this is gonna look, but hopefully it looks really good. The next thing that I got from Fenty was, oh cute, it's like in a little bag. I actually might keep this, but they're actually gloves. I think they were like on sale or something, and they're polka dots, and they match. I don't know what they match, but these look super cute. I just saw the model wear it, and I was like, that's really cute, so let me just order it and see. This is honestly really hard to put on. Okay, you guys get the deal. It's really cute. I like it. Expensive, you know? There's a picture of what these gloves look like on the model. That way you guys can tell. And the last thing that I got from Fenty is this strapless bra. This is in a size 36C. I actually wore it the other day, and it was a little bit, just a tiny bit big, but I know my boobs will kind of grow into it. So I needed a strapless bra and nude, that way I can wear it with literally anything. It's really soft, and it does have the little X in the middle, which I really like. And it also comes with straps, that way if you want to put straps on this, you can. I'll go ahead and insert pictures of what the model looks like wearing it. It has like little stickiness so that it doesn't slip down, which is really cool. And honestly, this bra is just really good quality. I really like Savage x Fenty. I like what they stand for, and fuck Victoria's Secret forever. That is all I have to show you guys for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. Make sure to check me out on Instagram to see pictures of me, my looks, and what I'm doing at the moment. And yeah, I think that is everything for this video. Thank you for sitting through this mini haul. I hope you guys have a really great day. I love you guys so much. Stay balanced, and see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.